In this crochet basics tutorial, I will show you how to crochet unusual 3-chain picot with reverse single crochet. Before I made a row of double crochet stitches. Let's begin the work. Reverse single crochet is single crochet made from the right to the left. Make a chain, insert the hook into the front to the back, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We need to crochet 2 more times. 1 and 2. We have just done 3 reverse single crochet. Let's make the 4th one. On the top of this reverse single crochet I will make a picot. For this, make reverse single crochet, chain 3 for the picot, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the reverse single crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through. The picot is ready. Let's look at the work. I continue making reverse single crochet. Insert the hook into the next stitch. Pull up a loop through, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's make one more time reverse single crochet into the next stitch. Let's look at the work. Here what we have so far. Here reverse single crochet and it is the picot. Your picot can be bigger than mine. You can make it of 4 or 5 chains. Make 2 reverse single crochet and repeat making the picot. 1, 2, and chain of 4 for the picot. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have just done 4 chains. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the reverse single crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through. Then we continue the work and make a reverse single crochet into the next stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, reverse single crochet, let's stop and look at work. In this case I have made 3-chain picot and in this case 4-chain picot. Let's make 5-chain picot. Chain 5 for the picot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the 2 loops of reverse single crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through, and we'll continue making reverse single crochet. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, and one more time, and make the second time. We have just done a row is finished. Let's look at work. I remind you, while making reverse single crochet we did 3 chain picot, 4 chain picot and 5 chain picot. With this crochet basics tutorial you have learned how to make reverse single crochet with 3 chain picot, 4 chain picot and 5 chain picot. In this case I have done 3 chain picot 3 times. Thanks for watching. We are pleased to inform you that we have opened membership service on our website. Membership includes an access to the video tutorials which are published every week, only at sharoneknitting.com and only for members. For more detailed information, please visit the membership page at sharoneknitting.com. Thanks for watching.